Now, what's really happening is that you have heard a lot of clamour for this man that you see on your screens. In the last few days, there has been a talk of actor-turned-activist Deep Sindhu's role in the violence. Republic now has proof of the provocation. Now, on January the 25th at the Singhu border, Deep Sindhu made a provocative speech encouraging violence. He also made a call for secession and insulted the tricolour. We are just playing out, viewers, an excerpt of that speech.
ਜਦੋਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਹਿਣ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਾਂਤਮਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਹਿੰਸਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਸਮਝਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਿਓ ਜਿੱਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਰੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਬੈਰੀਕੇਡ ਭੰਨੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਸ਼ਾਂਤਮਈ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਹਿੰਸਕ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਉਹੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਜੋ ਉਦੋਂ ਪ੍ਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜੋ ਹੁਣ ਪ੍ਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਉਸ ਗੁਰੂ 'ਚ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਉਸ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਕੋਈ ਉਹਦੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਸਕਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਕਹਿ ਕੇ ਹਟਿਆ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਵੇਖੋ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਰੌਂਚ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੇ ਰੌਂਚ ਇਸ ਸੰਦਰਭ 'ਚ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਸ ਕੰਟੈਕਸਟ 'ਚ ਦੇਖੋ ਪਰ ਅੱਜ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਵੀ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਇਹ ਤੋਂ ਅਗਲਾ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਲਈਏ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਪ੍ਰਤੱਖ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਥੋੜੀ ਦੇਰ 'ਚ ਜੋ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਆਊਗਾ ਐਨ ਜਮਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਵੱਜੂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸੋ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਹਿਣ ਕੋਈ ਡਿਸਾਈਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਔਰ ਇਸ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਵਹਿਣ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਡਿਸਾਈਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਡਿਸਕੋਰਸ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ
And this is what he had to say on the 25th, Piyush, just a day before you saw that, violence that no one expected out of this rally. So clearly, there are so many villains right now in this entire saga in the build-up to what really happened. And, the story gets bigger because the Delhi police now has invoked the UAPA section against, a lot of these accused. But what more do we know particularly about Deep Sindhu? Because this is again just an excerpt of that speech that he gave from the dais that day, Piyush.
Well, Deepthi, as of now, the whereabouts of Deep Sindhu is not known. He is missing. Yesterday, he gave a video message in which he said that, no, I'm not involved. But now, in the morning also, remember, Deepthi, that he was saying that, okay, get me a proof that if I was involved in that. Republic is now getting the clincher evidence against this man, Deep Sindhu, who was seen provoking farmers here at Singhu, from where right now I'm reporting, where what he did, he eulogized Bhindranwala. What he did, he provoked people against the nation. He also, disrespected Tricolour in open. He said that no, we cannot win our war on basis of this Tricolour. These were his statements. And also at the same time, he provoked people against Supreme Court. He provoked people against security forces, against Delhi police, and also the many institutions. He at the same time also said that it's very important to have our own land, which means he was eulogizing Bhindranwala. He was also talking about Khalistani movement. It is clearly telling us as to how this man provoked these farmers and now he is missing. It's very important for security agencies to look for this man who is now on run, because he's the man who on the eve of Republic TV on 25th of January, we have seen that how he was given space by Kisan union leaders. Though Kisan farmer union leaders are now coming out and they are saying that Deep Sindhu is a BJP agent, but they must understand that they are the one who gave him space. They are the one who gave him platform to provoke people who were sitting there at Singhu border.
Piyush, let's put that story in perspective. Piyush. If we can once more, actually, I don't want to hear what he actually had to say, but I want to closely look at who was standing on the dais with him. Because, all this has just not happened in isolation. There were netas. Like today, you have a Rakesh Tikait who's speaking from one more border. He's again inciting violence. He's again provoking people. Now, when Deep Sindhu was speaking, who all was on the dais with him, Piyush?
Well, Well, remember, Deepti, you know, the place from where he's addressing, that's Kisan Morcha stage. Kisan Morcha stage. Remember, Kisan Morcha is the one who is also talking with the government. Many Kisan leaders are part of that Morcha, and he was, you know, provoking people from that particular stage. Behind you, you can also read, it's clearly mentioned there that Kisan Morcha called him, it gave him platform. Thousands of people were present, and these union leaders were also present, against whom these FIRs have also been invoked, have also been registered. It's very important to mention as to how he was given a platform, he was given a space to provoke people, and then on the next day we saw that you know, Delhi police had asked them to take out their tractor march after Republic Day comes to end, Republic Day parade comes to end, but they took out their march early in the morning at around 9 a.m. We had seen how chaos was there at almost every border. We had seen pictures from Tikri, Ghazipur, and also Singhu border, and it in fact told us as to how there was a pre-planned strategy. Though at one side that they are saying that no, we did not have any plan to go to Red Fort, we were misguided, police did not put barricades on the right route which was assigned. But this video is now somewhere telling us as to how there was a foolproof planning of taking out this protest march, entering there at, going there at Red Fort and unfurling their own flag, which is somewhere is now a big question as to why it was allowed to take place, and that also on the stage of Kisan Morcha. We have exclusively accessed these videos in which this man, Deep Sidhu, who is now being called by farmer leaders and other oppositional political parties as BJP agent, but they must now answer as to why space was given to Deep Sidhu, why was he given platform of Kisan Morcha, why was he there on this stage of Kisan Morcha and addressing thousands of farmers who were sitting there, and who called him? That is also a big question. Who called him? And that needs to be investigated. At the same time, it is also very important to look for this man who is right now absconding. Deepti.
Oh, yes, absolutely. You know, so many questions get thrown up, Piyush, because obviously what we saw on the 26th, happening on the streets of Delhi is unprecedented. This, remember, viewers, is just one of the proof to tell you that there was provocation, there was incitement. The reason why the Delhi police now has gone ahead to slap UAPA charges, sedition charges against all these accused, only for the moment, Piyush, I'm thanking you. He's reporting from the Singhu border as we are heading into a quick break. But do remember, Republic's biggest reporting team right now is on ground zero. We are looking at the police action. We are looking at what Rakesh Tikait will do. Will he surrender or not? Answers to those questions when we come back.